Kemcho Gujarat. મારું નામ અંકિત પટેલ છે. મારી કંપનીનું નામ ADK Engineering and Solution. This product is press brake machine, and this is a very rigid machine. We import machine from China, and the company name is ADH Press Brake, and it is very rigid machine. The beautiful function of this machine is it's a 9-axis machine. It's a very unique feature, and having a controller, Dell M66 controller. We supplied this machine to many of this customer in a various application. They are very much satisfied, and their experience is very fantastic. And this is a very user friendly and maintenance free machine, and they also appreciate the quality and the performance of the machine, and also they give us a comment that if they want to buy a second machine, they will definitely go with this product, and also they recommend other customers to buy this product.